Hey there, it is Sunday morning, and normally I would say I just released the video on my main channel, but I didn't do that this morning. I did it yesterday morning, so I can't say that. And I did it yesterday morning because of the Maker's Mob summer sale, where you can get your first full month for just 99 cents. Limited time offer though, so act fast. There's a link in the description. How about that? That's your chance to get full access to the entire deep knowledge base that's there and has been building up over the past few years. You can't even buy a coffee for 99 cents these days. And just wait 2 years from now what you'll be able to buy for 99 cents. Anyway, so the clamp did flop like I thought it would. I kind of knew that right from the get-go. I said, John, you're making too many clamps. And it's a shame too, because it is my best, like of all the clamps that I've made, this is the one worth making, and this is the one that did the poorest. So who knows, maybe that'll change over time, but you know, it's not good when you release a video and it does that poorly, especially that kind of video, which the channel, like that's my content. Like there's nothing odd about that. Like, you know, that's what I do. So, yeah, a little bit discouraging. But you know what? Somebody will copy it and get 2 million views in the first 2 days. So, you know, somebody will benefit. So here it is, if you haven't seen the video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, because you think that this is my main channel, because I still get comments to this day from people saying, shut up and make something already. If you see my face on the thumbnail, grinning back at you, or staring back at you, or glaring back at you, that means that's not my main channel. It's this channel where I talk. Anyway, so here's the clamp. Works thusly. Right, doesn't get any better than that. Works exactly like, you know, real clamps do. Plans are available. There's a link to that also in the description. To make real clamps that weigh nothing. And I had people asking whether you can make these from softwood. Yes, you can. They won't be as strong. That's the only thing, right? This is maple. This is spalted maple. It's not spalted to the point where it really seriously degrades the strength of it, though. It's also got a lot of worm activity. I think they're powder post beetles. Yeah, the wood was rotting on the tree, and then it fell on the ground, like it stayed on the ground for quite a while too. And those things need moisture, so once your wood dries out, then they're basically gone. Although, you know, I've cut through some of this stuff into one of those tunnels, and there's been a bug in there. So yeah, that excellent clamp. You need clamps, and it's not that, you know, it's not for cheapness that you build these. It's for, okay, you're a woodworker. Like, what are you doing with your time? You're building stuff for other people or trying to impress other people. That's sickening. That's a sickening activity for woodworkers. To bow down before other people, to try to make stuff to please them, or you know, inflate their sense of pride or something, because they'll get some praise from other people. Oh, look what a great job he did. No, build something for yourself. Start with these clamps, damn it. You know, make your shop look good. Do it. I was out here messing around in speaker world. I've got a video for my audio channel tomorrow. And it's going to be talking about a couple things specific to that topic, and no woodworking, because there won't be a whole lot of woodworking on that channel. Although, I can't say that, because I'm going to build this, what I'm talking about in the video tomorrow is my new speakers, and I'm going to be building those in a series on that channel. But they'll be detail heavy videos, as in technical details. So there won't be like sequence after sequence of me out here cutting stock or planing, running it through the planer. Like, haven't you seen enough of that? Really? sped up footage of me, going all over the shop like a chicken with his head cut off. No, they're going to be more technical. Like I'll be explaining exactly what I'm doing, right, to the best of my ability, which is admittedly kind of flawed. Anyway, so yeah, I'll look for that tomorrow if you're into that and you're on the channel, right? What else could I talk about? The clamps and the poor performance of the video. I don't know, like seeing kind of I don't know if it's for every channel, probably not. Kind of a woodworking apathy, where the audience doesn't seem to care what you're doing, just as long as it's, okay, I'll give you an example. Like, how many people, just wait, how many people do you suppose took this design here that I have right here, that I built more than a year ago, okay? How many people, even in the comments of the video that I made for this, took this and thought up this? How many people do you suppose there were? Nobody thought of it. Nobody thought, okay, well, if that's working like that, why don't you get rid of that? Why don't you get rid of that? Nobody thought that up. No one. A year goes by. No one thought of that. I even got comments from people saying, how many clamp designs are you going to come up with? I just bought all 3. And now you come up with a new one. Pretend this one doesn't exist. If you bought the one before, if you have this one, hey, it works. It still works. Use it. The only difference between this and this is this. So yeah, maybe it's just my channel that this is happening on, but it seems like people are not really paying attention to what you're doing, other than, saying, hey, good work, great job. And I think some of those are people clicking on the video, seeing that it's just John making yet another clamp, leaving a comment and saying, I don't need to watch that. I've seen that before. Well, you haven't seen it before. You kind of saw it before in this one, but this is where it's at. Honestly, if you need clamps, like every woodworker should, then you need to be making these. Okay? Do it. Do it now. I just popped over and pulled this one down on the rack. I was gonna make a new version of this as well, but I don't think I'm going to now, because that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. And I mean, I said it before, why put the work into something when you can just, like, yesterday I was experimenting with a wooden pizza pan, and I'm willing to bet, if I got the right thumbnail image and the right title with that, it would kick this one's butt. So that's what people want to see. They want to see nonsense. They don't want to see actual useful things, because nobody's got time to make any of that. So yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. Right? Not build another clamp. I'm not, unless I can come up with something radically different. It won't be this kind of clamp though, because this is the end of the line for this. Like, there's nothing beyond this. This is it. Pinnacle. Apex. Okay, there's nothing beyond that. So unless I can come up with something radically different, then no more clamp builds for John.
This is the door.
There it is.
What time you got?
7:22 in the a.m.
No, ain't quite time yet. Come on, let's hang back.